Welcome to the Irish National Stud and Gardens, a place where Ireland's natural beauty, cultural heritage, and love for horses come together in perfect harmony. Located in County Kildare, just under an hour from Dublin, the Irish National Stud is not just a working stud farm, it is also home to one of the most breathtaking gardens in Ireland. Today, we are taking a peaceful walk through this unique space, where every path tells a story and every corner offers a new perspective. General tickets prices are like this. Your ticket includes access to everything the stud farm, the Japanese gardens, St. Fiachra's garden, the museum, and even the playground and cafe area. It is best to check their official website for the most up-to-date prices or any seasonal offers, especially during holidays or events. As we enter, you will immediately feel the stillness. Lush greenery surrounds us, punctuated by ancient trees, vibrant seasonal flowers, and the soft sound of birdsong. It is a place designed to slow your pace to let you breathe. Just beyond the gardens is the heart of the Irish National Stud, the Working Stud Farm. Ireland has long been known for its love of horses, and this place is a living testament to that tradition. The stud is home to some of the most successful thoroughbred horses in the world. Champions are born here trained and cared for with the highest standards. Even if you are not an expert in horse racing, seeing these majestic animals up close is an unforgettable experience. There is something powerful and peaceful about them, a mix of strength and grace. You might even see mares with their foals gently grazing in the paddocks, a beautiful contrast to the finely manicured gardens nearby. One of the fun and interactive features at the Irish National Stud is the virtual horse race, a digital experience that brings the thrill of horse racing to life without ever stepping onto a track. Set inside a theater-style space, this experience lets you choose a horse, place a mock bet, and cheer it on as it races against others on a big screen. The race is computer-generated, but the energy feels real with galloping sound effects, crowd noise, and photo finishes that get everyone excited. It is family-friendly, easy to join, and gives you a taste of the excitement that drives Ireland's racing culture. Whether you are a seasoned racing fan or trying it for the first time, the virtual horse race is a fun, educational way to engage with the sport, and maybe even pick a winner just for fun. Another hidden gem is St. Fiachra's garden, named after the patron saint of gardeners. This garden is very different in style, more natural, more Irish. It captures the raw spirit of Ireland's landscape: stone walls, trickling water, shaded woodlands, and quiet reflections. It is meant to represent the monastic tradition of contemplation and simplicity. One of the highlights of the National Stud is the world-famous Japanese gardens. Laid out between 1906 and 1910 by master Japanese gardener Eyecha, and his son Minoru, these gardens are considered the finest of their kind in Europe. But they are not just visually stunning, they also carry deep meaning. The garden represents the life of man, a spiritual journey from birth to death. As you walk along the stone paths, over arched bridges and under red painted gateways, you are not just admiring plants, you are symbolically walking through life stages: childhood, education, marriage, ambition, and eventually the quiet of old age. Every rock, tree, and curve is intentional, each with a story to tell. In a fast-moving world, places like this remind us to slow down. The Irish National Stud and Gardens offer more than a tourist destination. They offer a feeling, a memory, a connection. So the next time you are in Kildare, make the stop. Take the walk. Listen to the breeze, watch the koi fish glide under a stone bridge, and take in the stories held in every flower, path, and hoofbeat. Thank you for joining me on this journey through one of Ireland's most enchanting places. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more peaceful travel moments like this one. Until next time, Slán go foil.